Hello, everyone. Welcome back to SpeakEasy FM.
Hi, we're so happy you're here with us today.
I'm Stacy.
And I'm Ian. And on this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English.
The English people actually use, not the English from a textbook.
If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe and give this one a like. It really helps us out.
It really does. Okay, Ian, how are you today?
Honestly, a little embarrassed.
Embarrassed? Why?
I wore 2 different shoes to the gym this morning. 2 different sneakers, one from each pair.
Ian, no.
I didn't notice until someone at the gym pointed at my feet and just stared.
Were they at least a similar color?
One was white, one was black. Not similar at all.
That's it. That's the whole episode idea right there.
What do you mean?
Today we're talking about clothes, and clearly you need this lesson more than anyone.
Fair. Very fair.
This is such a useful topic, honestly. We talk about clothes constantly. Compliments, shopping, what should I wear? All of it.
Every single day, somewhere in the world, someone is asking, does this look okay?
So let's get into it. Oh, quick tip first. If you want to slow down the video or repeat sentences, tap the settings icon on YouTube, choose playback speed, and pick whatever feels comfortable for you.
Great tip. Okay, let's talk clothes.
Let's start easy. Ian, what's your favorite piece of clothing? The one thing you always reach for.
That's tough, but I think it's my gray hoodie. It's soft, it's warm, it goes with everything.
How old is this hoodie?
Old. Old enough that the string on the hood is missing on one side.
So it's basically falling apart.
It's not falling apart, it's broken in. There's a difference.
Sure, Ian. My favorite is this green sweater my aunt knitted me. It's a little itchy, but I love it anyway.
You wear an itchy sweater on purpose?
For sentimental reasons, yes. Some clothes aren't about comfort. They're about memory.
That's actually kind of sweet.
Thank you. What about clothes for going out? Do you have a favorite outfit?
I have this dark green jacket. I feel like a completely different person when I put it on. More confident somehow.
A jacket gave you confidence?
Don't underestimate the power of a good jacket.
I believe you. Clothes really can change how you feel.
So where do you usually buy your clothes, Stacy?
Mostly in stores. I like touching the fabric, trying things on, seeing how it actually looks on my body before I commit.
Makes sense. I buy almost everything online.
Online? Isn't that risky? Sizes are never the same from one brand to another.
It is risky. I once ordered pants and they arrived looking like they were made for a much taller person.
How much taller?
Like giant taller. I could have worn them as overalls.
What did you do?
Sent them back, obviously. That's the annoying part. You order, you wait, it's wrong, you return it, you wait again.
That's why I like trying things on first. I walk into the fitting room, I put it on, I look in the mirror, and I know right away.
You make it sound so simple.
It is simple. You're just lazy.
I prefer efficient.
Sure. So how do you usually shop then, if you never try things on?
I buy the same brands over and over. I already know my size with them, so there are no surprises.
That's actually smart, in a lazy sort of way.
I'll take that as a compliment.
Do you prefer casual clothes or dressing up?
Casual, 100%. T-shirt, jeans, sneakers, that's basically my uniform.
What do you wear when you actually need to dress up? Like a wedding?
A navy suit, white shirt, and a tie I genuinely don't know how to knot properly.
You don't know how to tie a tie?
I watch a video every single time. Every single time, Stacy.
That's oddly relatable, actually.
See, nobody's perfect. What about you? Casual or formal?
Casual most days, too. But I do enjoy dressing up when there's an occasion. A nice dress, real shoes instead of sneakers, maybe some jewelry.
Do you feel different when you're dressed up?
A little taller, honestly. Even if the heels are the same height as my regular shoes.
That's just confidence talking.
Confidence and good posture.
Let's talk about seasons. Your closet must look totally different in July versus January.
Completely different. Summer is all light fabrics. Cotton, linen, breathable stuff. Shorts, sundresses, sandals.
And winter?
Winter is armor. Layers on layers. A coat, a sweater, another sweater under that sweater.
I do the same thing, except I always forget gloves and then my hands turn into ice blocks halfway through winter.
Every single year?
Every single year. You'd think I'd learn.
Buy 2 pairs. Keep one in your bag permanently.
That's disturbingly good advice.
I have a lot of that. What about spring and autumn, the in-between seasons?
Those are the tricky ones. Cold in the morning, warm by lunch. I never dress correctly.
I always bring a light jacket I can take off and carry. Layers save you.
Layers save lives, Stacy.
A little dramatic, but sure. Do you have a favorite color for clothes?
Black, mostly, and gray. My closet looks like a very sad rainbow.
Very sad, very stylish rainbow.
I appreciate the save. What about you?
I love warm colors. Mustard yellow, deep orange, burgundy. My closet looks like autumn threw up in it.
That's a visual.
It's accurate, though. What about patterns? Stripes, checks, anything like that?
I own exactly one striped shirt. I feel like a mime whenever I wear it.
A very handsome mime.
The nicest thing anyone said to me today. Do you wear patterns?
All the time. I have a shirt with tiny flowers on it that makes me feel instantly cheerful.
Clothes really do affect your mood.
More than people think.
What's the first thing you put on in the morning?
Socks. Always socks first. My feet get cold the second they touch the floor.
I put my shirt on first. No idea why. It's just always been that way.
Do you plan your outfit the night before or decide in the morning?
Morning, every time. And I regret it every time because I'm always rushing.
I plan mine the night before. It saves so much time and stress.
You're annoyingly organized.
I prefer prepared. Try it for 1 week. You'll thank me.
Fine, I'll try it. No promises.
Do you have any clothing item you refuse to throw away even though it's falling apart?
My gray hoodie, obviously. And a pair of jeans that are basically held together by hope at this point.
Hope and a few stitches, probably.
Mostly hope. What about you?
A denim jacket from high school. It doesn't even fit the same anymore, but I can't let it go.
Sentimental clothing hoarders, both of us.
Exactly. Speaking of collections, how many pairs of shoes do you own?
Let me think. Sneakers, the mismatched ones from this morning included, dress shoes, boots, maybe 6 pairs total.
6? That's it?
That's plenty for one person.
I have around 14.
14? Why?
Different occasions need different shoes, Ian.
They're shoes. They go on your feet.
You clearly don't understand fashion.
Clearly not.
Let's talk about laundry, everyone's favorite chore.
My most hated chore, actually, especially folding.
Folding is the worst part. I usually just toss everything in a basket and call it organized chaos.
I do the same thing, except I call it the floor is my closet.
Do you separate whites and colors?
I try. I forgot once and turned an entire white load slightly pink.
What happened?
A red sock got in there, betrayed by a single sock.
That's a laundry tragedy.
A real tragedy. I wore pink shirts for a month before I finally gave up and bought new ones.
You could have just called it salmon.
I did, actually. It made me feel slightly better.
Do you ever borrow clothes from anyone?
My brother, sometimes. Mostly ties, because I own exactly one, and it's boring.
I borrow jewelry from my sister for special occasions. Saves me from buying something I'll wear once.
Smart. Speaking of money, do you spend a lot on clothes?
It depends. For basics, I go cheap. For a good winter coat or good shoes, I spend more. Quality lasts longer.
I'm the opposite. I buy cheap everything, and then I'm shocked when it falls apart in 2 months.
That's not saving money, Ian. That's just delaying spending it.
That's uncomfortably accurate.
I have my moments.
Do you follow fashion trends or just wear whatever you like?
Mostly whatever I like. If I see a trend I love, sure, but I'm not chasing every new thing.
Same here. My style is basically comfortable and slightly wrinkled.
A very honest brand description.
I'm nothing if not honest. What's one thing you want to buy right now?
A long trench coat. Camel color. I've wanted one for years and just never buy it.
Why not?
I don't know. Every time I see one, I think, maybe next season.
Buy the coat, Stacy.
I'll buy the coat. What about you?
New sneakers, preferably a matching pair this time.
Baby steps. Okay, we talked so much about clothes today. Let's slow down and go through some useful words.
Great idea. First word, outfit. An outfit is all the clothes you're wearing together as one combination.
For example, today my outfit is jeans, a white top, and sneakers. Altogether, that's my outfit.
You can say, I love your outfit, or I haven't picked my outfit for tomorrow yet.
Next word, fitting room. That's the small room in a store where you try on clothes before buying them.
You can say, I need to use the fitting room before I decide, or the line for the fitting room was so long.
Next, layer or layering. To layer means to wear multiple pieces of clothing on top of each other, usually for warmth.
In winter, I layer a shirt, a sweater, and then a coat. 3 layers at least.
Layering also lets you take pieces off if you get warm. Very practical.
Next word, worn out. Something worn out is old and damaged from being used a lot.
My denim jacket is a little worn out, but I still wear it. Ian's jeans are extremely worn out.
Held together by hope, as we discussed.
Next, mismatched. This means two things don't go together or don't match.
Like my shoes this morning. 1 white sneaker, 1 black sneaker. Very mismatched.
A perfect real-life example. Next word, splurge. To splurge means to spend more money than usual on something, usually because you really want it.
I splurged on a leather jacket last year. It was expensive, but I still love it.
You can splurge on a coat, on shoes, even on a nice dinner. It's not just for clothes.
And our last word, bold. Bold, when we talk about clothes, means a strong color or pattern that stands out.
A bright orange jacket is a bold choice. A pattern of huge flowers is bold.
I'm not bold enough for bold clothes. I stick with gray.
One day, Ian. One day you'll wear color.
So today's words, outfit, fitting room, layer, worn out, mismatched, splurge, and bold.
7 really useful words. Try using at least one this week.
Okay, let's wrap up. What did we talk about today?
We started with your mismatched shoes, which honestly set the whole tone for the episode.
A tone of chaos, mostly. We talked about our favorite pieces of clothing, my hoodie, your itchy sweater.
We talked about shopping habits. I like trying things on in stores, and you like the risky world of online shopping.
We compared casual and formal outfits, and I confessed I still don't know how to tie a tie properly.
We talked about clothes for every season, and how layering saves you in spring and autumn.
We talked about colors and patterns, my sad little gray and black closet versus your autumn explosion of a closet.
We talked about morning routines, old favorite clothes, and our very different shoe collections. 6 pairs versus 14.
We survived the topic of laundry, including my unfortunate pink shirt phase.
And we ended with fashion opinions and the things we both want to buy but keep putting off.
A trench coat for you, matching sneakers for me.
A lot of ground covered today, and all of it useful. Everyone talks about clothes, everywhere, all the time.
True small talk gold.
Okay, time for our favorite part.
Question of the day.
Today's question has 2 parts, so answer one or both. First, what's your favorite outfit? Describe it for us.
Second, what's one piece of clothing you really want to buy right now, but keep putting off?
For example, my favorite outfit is jeans, a white t-shirt, and my old brown boots. I really want to buy a new winter coat.
Or, my favorite outfit is a summer dress with sandals. I want to buy new sunglasses.
Any answer is a great answer. Write it in the comments below.
We read every single comment, and we genuinely enjoy hearing about your style.
So don't be shy. Tell us what you're wearing and what you're dreaming about buying.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
It really means a lot. Talking about clothes is more fun with all of you here.
If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's also learning English.
And subscribe to SpeakEasy FM so you don't miss our next episode. New videos every week.
Remember, the best way to improve is to practice a little every day. Even 5 minutes counts.
5 minutes a day beats 3 hours once a week.
Small and consistent. That's the secret.
From both of us,
Keep learning, keep practicing.
and have a wonderful day.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!